In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text on Substack. Centering text might sound like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how your post looks. It's especially useful for titles, quotes, or short lines of text that you want to really stand out. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from the moment you log in all the way to actually centering your text in the editor. First, go ahead and log into your Substack account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with different options. In that panel, look for the option labeled Create. This is where you start anything new on Substack. Click on Create, and when the drop-down menu appears, choose Article. This will open up the article editor, which is where you'll write and format your post. When the editor loads, you'll see a blank space where you can start typing. You can either write something new, or if you already have text in your draft that you'd like to center, just scroll to that part of the post. The centering process is the same whether it's a single word, a short phrase, or a full paragraph. Next, with your content visible, use your mouse to highlight the text you want to center. Click at the beginning of the text, hold down, and drag across until all of the words you want to center are selected. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted on the screen. Once your text is highlighted, look toward the top of the editor. You should see a formatting toolbar. This is where you can adjust things like bold, italics, headings, and alignment. Find the text alignment icon in this toolbar. It usually looks like a group of horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on that alignment icon to open the alignment options. From the list of alignment choices that appears, select Center. As soon as you click it, you'll see your highlighted text shift into the center of the page. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always highlight it again and switch back to left or right alignment the same way. That's all you need to do. Log in, create or open your article, highlight your text, and use the alignment icon to center it. With this simple formatting tool, you can make key parts of your Substack posts look cleaner, more professional, and easier for your readers to focus on.